Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Aventador realistically. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. Focus on getting the overall shape right, paying close attention to the car's aggressive, low profile. The Aventador has a distinctive, wide stance and a wheelbase of about 106 inches, so capturing these initial proportions is crucial for a realistic outcome. Next, we'll move on to refining the body panels and the iconic wheel arches. The Aventador is known for its sharp, geometric lines and prominent air vents, so take your time to define these details. Remember to make the wheel arches substantial, as they house the large, 20-inch wheels. The wheels themselves should be roughly 1/3 the height of the car's side profile for proper scale. Now, let's bring the car to life by adding the lights and some interior hints. The Aventador's Y-shaped headlights and taillights are a signature feature, so render them with precision. Don't forget the sleek side mirrors and the sharp cut lines of the doors. Even a subtle suggestion of the dashboard or seats through the windows can add significant depth and realism to your drawing. Finally, we'll focus on shading and adding those crucial final touches to achieve a realistic finish. Use a range of pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, emphasizing the Aventador's sculpted bodywork. Pay attention to reflections on the glossy surfaces. A little texture on the tires and grills will make your drawing truly pop, giving it that authentic, three-dimensional look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.